Hi, Namaste. I am Raghu from IIGM Apparel Engineering Center, Bangalore, India. Now I am going to explain you about overlock machine Juki model MO6716DA standard adjustments. Thank you. We need basic tools for adjusting the standard adjustments like lengthy screwdriver, medium screwdriver, 5 mm Allen key, 8-9 spanner and steel rule or scale for measuring dimensions. To adjust the needle bar height, we need to loose the top cover screws, which will be approximately 4 to adjust screws. Needle bar height, rotate the hand wheel in clockwise direction and keep needle bar at topmost position. Adjust the needle bar height by losing this 5 mm Allen key and adjust the needle bar height, or we can also adjust the needle bar height by losing this needle holder screw and lifting up or down. Approximately 10 mm between needle tip to throat plate surface by losing needle holder screw. Adjust lower looper timing, rotate the hand wheel in clockwise direction and bring needle bar completely downmost position so that at the same time looper will come back to backmost position. Just the distance between looper tip to needle, we need to use the 9 mm spanner and lose the nut. The distance of about approximately 3.2 to 3.6 mm depending upon the different. We need to adjust the clearance between center of the scarf and looper tip by pushing the needle holder front and back and observe the clearance of 0.05 mm between needle to the gap. Raise the needle bar up and bring the looper tip to center of the scarf and make sure it is exactly at the center of the scarf. In case slight adjustment can be changed. Explain about the chain looper timing. To adjust this, rotate the hand wheel and bring the needle to the downmost and chain looper to the leftmost position. Keep the gap about 2 mm between chain looper tip and needle. We'll raise the needle up position and bring the looper tip to the center of the scarf, and at the same time we need to adjust the clearance of about 0.05 mm by losing the 9 mm nut and tighten the screw properly. Now I will explain the how to adjust the upper looper timing. Now fix the upper looper to the upper looper holder. Adjust the upper looper timing by rotating hand wheel. Bring the upper looper close to lower looper and keep gap of about 0.05 mm clearance. The 0.05 mm clearance between upper looper and lower looper and tight the upper looper screw gently. After tightening the upper looper screw, observe the 4 mm gap between needle to upper looper tip when upper looper is at the leftmost position. At the same time, also observe the height of about 11 mm between looper tip to throat plate surface. I will explain about the feed dog height adjustment. As a first step, we have to adjust the differential feed dog height adjustment by rotating hand wheel. Bring the feed dog to the topmost, and by losing this screw, adjust the feed dog height about 0.8 to 1 mm. We need to adjust the main feed dog height in the same way by losing this nut. About the lower knife adjustment, loose the screw and adjust the lower knife gap between throat plate edge to lower knife so that lower knife edge matches with the edge of the over edge knob. Explain about the upper knife adjustment. Fix the upper knife holder by tightening the screw. Make sure upper knife touching to the lower knife pressurely to cut the fabric properly, and tight the screw. To give the proper pressure between the lower knife and upper knife, loose the screw and tight it once again so that it cuts the fabric properly. That completes the standard adjustments of the overlock machine. For further information on technical points, you can log into iigm.in/training, and you also can watch few videos of other machines. Please watch videos, share, like. Thank you very much. And for further practical training, you have to visit Bangalore IIGM Training Center. You can contact me on 9341264238. Thank you very much.